Hi guys, good morning to all of you. Hello guys, do you hear me? Hello, hello guys, anyone? Can you respond me? Say yes or no? Yeah, just in chat box also you can ping it. If unable to speak, you can chat box. Yes, you can ping in chat box also. Yeah, yeah. Thank you for your response. So let us start. Yes. So our topic is Linux and Unix. Linux and Unix. About these two, going to discuss both Linux and Unix. Okay. So first of all about myself. Okay, let me introduce about myself. Okay, here this is Nageswar Rao. This is Nageswar Rao, having 22 years of experience in software fields. Having 22 years of experience in software fields. Yes, my most of the experience on Java. Okay, next Hadoop. Okay, Hadoop development and admin both areas, and Linux. Okay, apart from that, Python experience. Okay, Python experience. Next, embedded C. Yes, even I worked on embedded C. Embedded C. Okay, most of my experience. Yes, on Java, Hadoop. Yes, Hadoop development as admin here. Next, Linux, Python, embedded C. So this is my experience. I have the good experience in Linux administration also because of Hadoop. Yes, I worked in admin area also. Right. Next, yes, in my whole career, yes, 22 years of career. In that, yes, more than 25 projects I worked here. 25 projects. Okay, out of 25 projects, 15 projects, 15 projects directly involved in the coding here. Okay, 15 projects directly involved, in the coding here. Involved in the coding. Okay, in the coding. Right? Yes, 10 projects provided solutions. 10 projects provided solutions. Okay, so 10 projects provide solutions, right? Okay, yes, totally 25 projects. Okay, yes, 15 projects directly involved in the coding here, 10 projects provided solution, right? Okay, yes, presently, yes, I am a solution architect. Solution architect. Solution architect. Yes, for Hadoop and Java projects. Hadoop and Java projects. Okay, Hadoop, Java, and next, of course, Python is also part of Hadoop data analysis. Hadoop, Python, okay, Python and Java projects. So this area I'm working as solution architect. Yes, my present company, present my present company, yes, yes, Silotech Private Limited. Silotech Private Limited, Hyderabad. Okay, this is my present company. Right? Yes. So that's all about myself. Yes, I have a lot of experience in Linux area, Linux in shell scripting area, admin area, lot of experience in Linux space. Next, Hadoop, lot of experience. Okay, next, yes, since 2013, yes, since 2013 working on Hadoop here. Okay, yes, Hadoop, Java, Python, all this area. As a part of projects here, I'm working on this Linux administration also. I have the good experience on Linux base. Okay, right? So this is about myself. Okay, so about myself. Next, what are the topics going to discuss? Syllabus, the course contents. What are the course contents? Let us see that course contents. Course contents. So what are the course contents here? Let us see that. So first, So course contents. Yes, 1 minute. Yes, before going for this course contents, yes, first question is what is prerequisites? What is prerequisites? What is prerequisite to learn Linux base? What is prerequisite to learn Linux base? Okay, so this is what is prerequisite. Let us see that. Prerequisites. Okay, nothing. I am not expecting anything from this. Okay, nothing. Yes, nothing required here. Prerequisite, nothing here. Nothing required. Nothing required. Okay. Yes, even non-IT. Yes, non-IT. Yes, non-IT background. Yes, non-IT background guys also can understand this. Yes, non-IT background. Yes, background guys also can understand this. Okay, non-IT background also can understand this without any IT backgrounds. Yes, you can start your career with Linux base. You can start your career with Linux base. So even non-IT, yes, with non-IT background also they can understand this. Okay, anyone, yes, you can start your career with Linux base. Okay, yes, beginning career, yes, your career starting Linux base. Okay, so prerequisite nothing required. I am not expecting anything from you, nothing expectation here. So without any IT backgrounds, you can understand, right? Okay, yes. Next, what are the course contents here? So first going to discuss about software basics. First about software basics. Okay, after finishing software basics, have learned into Linux base. Next, Linux introduction. Okay, next is yes, Linux introduction. Okay, in introduction here, yes, in Linux introduction, yes, we'll discuss about what is history of Linux base. Okay, history of Linux base. Okay, next Linux history. Next, Linux features, Linux architecture, Linux file system. This is a Linux introduction here. Okay, after finishing here, yes, next, yes, Linux, yes, user level commands, Linux user level commands, user level commands. Okay, user level commands we will discuss. After finishing user level commands, next topic is shell scripting. Going to discuss about shell scripting. Next is shell scripting. Discuss about yes. Going to discuss about shell scripting. Next is shell scripting. After finishing shell scripting, yes. Next is Linux admin. Linux admin. Going to discuss about Linux administration. So what are the topics covered under Linux admin? I'll tell you. Yes. Next one, final topic is sixth one. Final topic, yes, final projects, some real-time projects using shell scripting. So these are the course contents. These are the course contents. So first about software basics. Okay, yes, in software basics, like yes, 1 second. Even I'll show the document also. Yes, no need of writing any running notes. It's not necessary. Okay, yes, that running notes is not necessary. Okay, no need of writing any running notes. I have prepared documentation. Okay, for everything I have prepared documentation. Yes, 1 second. Yes, Hadoop material Java or Python. 1 second. Linux. Yes. So this is the document on Linux base. Yes, it's a around 100-page document. 100-page document. So no need of writing notes. Nothing required here. Every topic I prepared document here. Okay, so whatever the order I'm explaining here, same order document is there, same order, same as order of my explanation. Even single point also not missing here. Every line, every point will be covered in documents. So whatever topic I'm explaining here, okay, same topic is asked in documents. Okay, so first of all I'll explain the topic. Okay, after explanation of topic here, I'll review the documents. So whatever topic explained, everything asked is it is there in document. It is a 100-page document. Okay, right? Next, every topic. So first about topic explanation here. Okay, suppose any command is there. What is that command? Okay, yes, how it's working that command. Where using in real time. Okay, yes, about command, how it's working command. Okay, next, where using in real time. So whatever I worked, same my real-time experience, I'm going to explain this is. Yes, technology anyone can do that. Yes, yes, teaching Linux is different, experience is different. Okay, yes, anyone can teach Linux is not an issue. Okay, just learning and teaching, that is not an issue. Experience different and teaching is different. Yes, I am going to give my experience. Just I am transferring my experience. Right, okay. So first is software basics. See, software basics in software basics here. So what is software? What is system software? What is application software? Yes, from very basics I'm going to start it. From very basics, even non-IT background guy also can understand this. Yes, is beginner. Yes, you can start your career with this Linux phase. Beginner also can understand this. System software, next application software, next what is device driver, what is OS. Okay, next what is character interface, what is graphical interface, single user and multi-user, like this different type of operating systems. Okay, next Linux and Unix Linux introduction here. Linux and Unix features, that features going to discuss. After finishing features, next Linux architecture topic here. Linux architecture. Okay, after that, next what is interpreter and compiler. These are the basic things you should know. As a software engineer, you must have this: what is interpreter, what is compiler, the differences. These are all the basics. Okay, next Linux distributions like Ubuntu Linux OS, Linux Mint. Okay, next Red Hat Enterprise Linux OS, like that different kinds of distributions. After finishing that, Linux file system. Linux file system. Okay, Linux file system going to discuss. Linux file system. Okay, yes, then yes, how to, yes, after Linux file system, next installing Linux OS. Yes, I'll show practically. Okay, I'll show practically. Next, well prepared document is there for installation steps. Yes, I will provide software for this. You don't worry about software here. Linux software I will provide it. Yes, in Durga Google Drive it's available, you can download from that. Linux software I will provide it. Okay, suppose in your system Windows 10 is there. Windows 10, Windows 8 or 7, right? Yes, on top of Windows OS, on top of Windows OS, you have to install some virtual machine, VMware. After installing virtual machine, on top of virtual machine, next you should install Linux OS. Okay, already in your laptop there is a Windows OS. On top of Windows OS, install VirtualBox. Okay, on top of VirtualBox VMware. On top of that, you have to install Linux OS. Okay, 1 minute. This is VirtualBox VMware. Yes, VMware workstation. Okay, install in my system. Okay, VMware workstation here. Okay, yes, 1 second. Let me start that. I'll show that. Yes, workstation. Yes, that VMware. Yes, on Windows OS you should install VMware. Yes, on top of VMware, next Ubuntu, that Ubuntu Linux OS. Yes, that Linux OS starting. Power on that virtual machine. Yes, starting. Okay, so this is, yes, that, yes, how to install that I'll show that. Okay, not only install explanation, okay, not only explanation. Okay, not only explanation. Yes, even I will assist you. Okay, even I will assist you. Yes, for installation. Yes, I will connect your laptop. Directly, I will connect your laptop using TeamViewer. Okay. Yes, anyone facing problem in installation, I will assist you. Don't worry. Okay, every topic. Yes, every topic. Yes, I'll do the follow up. Okay, I'll do the 24/7. Yes, support. For that, I'm creating WhatsApp group for all of the batch members. Okay, only with your batch, just I'm creating WhatsApp group. In WhatsApp group, yes, whatever message you want, you can send it. Okay, I will assist you. Any kind of help will be there. 24/7 help will be there. Suppose sometimes if I'm busy with meetings, at that time maybe, yes, maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes later. Okay, yeah. Yes, Mac. If you have the Mac, then Linux not required to install. In Mac itself, you can practice. Okay, someone asking about Mac OS here. If you have the Mac OS, okay, yes, directly can practice all the commands. Linux commands and Mac commands are similar, almost similar. Okay, right? Yeah. So this is so first basics of software. Yes, 1 second. Log into Linux OS. Yes, suppose the demo user. Get different users for users using for different purpose, like HTTP1, HTTP2, HTTP3, like Hadoop version 1, 2, 3. Okay, different kind of things. Demo user login. Okay, yes. So here, Yes, after installing Linux OS, next how to create users. Yes, in my system many number of users, right? How to create that users, creation of users. So first installing Linux OS, after installing, next starting Linux OS, next creating users. How to create new users, steps to create new users. That also we can discuss. Yes, after that, what is next one here? See, first the software basics, next Linux introduction. Yes, in Linux introduction, yes, about Linux features, Linux architecture, next Linux file system, next how to install Linux OS. So those topics we will discuss. Okay. Next is Linux user level comments. What are the topics we will discuss with user level comments? User level comments. See user level comments first. First ls command, ls command different options. This is Linux file system. Ls command different options. Next user related command like log name command, who am I command. Okay. Yes, next, yes, how to take the help of Linux OS manual, Linux manual. Okay. Yes, next ls command different options, ls command different options. Next about date command, next date command different options, cal command different options. Next how to work with directories, creation of directories, renaming directories, change of directories, deleting directories. These concepts we are going to discuss. Suppose tree structure, how to create tree, complete tree. Okay, creation of directories, working with directories. Next, change of direct different options, cd command different options. Okay. Yes, after that, next path concept, absolute path and relative paths. Absolute path and relative path we will discuss. Okay, after finishing this path concept, this is working with directories, working with directories, directories different options here. Okay, work, yes, absolute path and relative path like this. After that, next one is files, how to work with the files here, working with files here, working with files, different operations on the files like creating files, displaying file, copying files, comparison, all the different operations. Okay. Yes, commands like cat commands, touch commands. Okay, next creation of hidden files, hidden directories, copying files, comparison of files, renaming files. Okay, deleting files, all the concepts. Next, link files, how to create link files, hot links and soft links. Yes, link files like hot links and soft links, hot links and soft links. Okay. Yes, next, yes, how to copy the files from one directory to another directory, path, using path, copying files one location to another location, how to copy the files. Okay. So the topic here. Yes, next, so these all are file related. So these all are related to files here. Okay, next, yes, searching for files. Okay, pattern matching characters like star, question mark, the searching for, suppose I want only Java files, how to see the Java files. I want only C language files, how to see that, like the searching criteria, search for something here, right? Okay. Next, editors, editors, gedit going discuss. Okay. Yes, next VA editor, one more, most important one is VA, working with VA editor, most important this one, in real time mostly used one is VA editor, visual editor. So how to work with VA editor. Yes, after finishing
Hey,
VA editor, yes, next topic is, yes, yes, nano editor, how to work with one more editor, nano editor.
just one
Okay.
minute.
Yeah. Tell me.
Your voice is a little bit, there is a lot of background noise coming and it's not coming very clear.
Yeah, background noise, huh? Yes, just okay. I will take care of that. Sometimes giving some noise. Okay. So next, nano editor. Yeah, that is laptop noise actually. That fan, laptop fan noise getting. Yes. Next, gedit. Yes, nano. How to use that? Next, developing C programming Linux ways. How to develop the C programming Linux ways. Okay. Next, after C, yes. Next is how to develop Python. How to develop Python. Yes, Python programming in Linux base. Python. Python in Linux base. Next, after this, Python. Next, Java. How to install Java. How to install Java. how to install Java, how to install Java, yes, how to work with Java, how to develop the Java projects. So going to discuss C language, Python, Java. These things going to discuss. Okay, next after finishing that, next is yes MySQL. How to install MySQL? Yes, how to install MySQL? How to work with the MySQL also going to discuss. Okay, next after that, yes Linux filters like pipe. Next pipe, yes using pipe redirection operators. Next head command, tail command, T command, translation command, grep command, grep. Okay, next tar command, one of the important commands, tar commands like zip, compressing data, compressing uncompressing, zip unzip, tar commands, using tar commands. Next after this, next most important one is file permissions. How to use file permission, how to change file permissions like read permission, write permission, and execute permission. These are for the purpose of security. For the purpose of security, yes, we should give some permission, granting permissions. Okay, security purpose. Linux is secure because of this permissions concept. Because of permissions, Linux is secure. Okay, so how to work with that permissions here? So permissions. So up to this topic, yes, up to this topic is a user level comments. Up to this is a user level comments. Next shell scripting. Okay, so user level comments. In this user level comments, yes, first basic comments like date command, cal commands. Next directories, working with directories. Next absolute path and relative path. Next working with files. Okay, different operations on the files here. Next copying files from one location to another location. Next using tar command, compressing, uncompressing. Next editors, VA editor, those things. Next filters like head command, tail command, all that filters here. Next permissions. So this is user level comments. Okay, user level comments. After that, next shell scripting. Yes, what is shell? How to use the shell here? How to write the scripting? Most important topic is shell scripting. Yes, 1 week, minimum 1 week for the shell scripting. Yes, for shell scripting 1 week required. Okay, most, yes 1 week. Yes, most of the time, yes, spending on shell scripting. Yes, how to use shell variables. Next writing shell scripting, different yes levels of variables. Okay, yes, like session level, user level, system level. Okay, that variables defining different level, global variables defining system level or global level, global. Next user level or session level. Next these all of the shell scripting here, command line parameters in shell scripting. How to use command line parameters, most important topic this is. Okay, command line parameters. Next, yes, how to create log files using timestamp. Yes, how to create log files using timestamp. What is log file? What's the purpose of log file? How to create that? Yes, we'll discuss very clearly. Okay. Yes, next, how to read variables from the keyboard. Yes, next, operators like arithmetic or mathematical operators. Next, relational operators, relational like greater than, less than, these things. Logical operators. Okay, yes, mathematical operators. On this, some examples. Next, control statements like if statement, case statement, while loop, for loop, until loop. These are the control statements. These are the control statements going to discuss here. So, if statement, different types of if statements. Next, how to use case statement, how to use while loop, yes, for loop, and until loop. On the different examples. Okay, yes, different some basic examples to understand that. Apart from the basic examples, next real-time examples also we will discuss. Okay, real-time projects where using, yes, these kind of things where using real-time projects, that also going to discuss. Okay, yes, these are some basic examples to understand that. Next, real-time examples. These are real-time check. File test, like existence of file. Okay, file size. Yes, file or directory. Readable permission, writable. Yes, checking for all these. The real-time. They are real-time scripts. Okay, the concepts are real-time. These scripts are real-time here. In real-time job, we are going to work with all that scripts here, right? Yeah. So this is scripting. Yes, case statement, how to use case statement. After case statement, next loops, while loop. Yes, using while loop, some examples here. Next for loop, yes, until loop. After while loop, next until loop. after until for loop. Yes, in real time mostly used one is for loop. Okay, mostly used one is for loop. Okay, next. Yes, next step. Yes, using that loops are all control statements. Okay, next, advanced Linux filters. Okay, advanced Linux filters using shell scripting. Okay, yes, like cut commands, paste command, sort commands. Okay, all of this. Next, awk AWK programming. Yes, awk AWK, the DWK programming, the AWK scripting, awk scripting. Next, functions. How to use functions? Shell scripting functions. Okay, writing functions and using functions. Where to use in real time chat? All that functions like a C language and Java. Here also functions concept available. Okay, functions. Yes, up to this topic is shell scripting topic. Up to functions, shell scripting. That will be taken for 1 week. Okay, even sometimes more than 1 week also taking care. Okay, yes, 8 to 10 classes taking more than 1 week. The shell scripting parts. Next, Linux administration. Linux administration, different kind of things. Yes, how to switch to admin user. Okay, how to run the cron jobs. Cron jobs, nothing but job scheduling. So how to schedule the jobs. So cron tab, for cron jobs using cron tab, it's a job scheduling is most important topic in admin. Cron tabs, how to schedule the jobs. Next, yes, how to shut down the Linux system using some init commands. How to use init command, different options of init commands. Okay, yes, next, how to check the disk free space, about disk free space. Next, about disk usage, how much disk used here, how much disk free space, how to check it. Yes, as admin, yes, this knowledge required here. Okay, right? Next, yes, next, how to install the softwares. How to install software. Yes, all the admin topics, installing softwares. Like as a root admin, how to install that. Okay, like installing, updating your OS, installing SSH, installing Java, installing Eclipse, installing MySQL, next installing Python, like that different kind of softwares. How to install all of that softwares. Every software I'm going to explain this. Okay, next. Yes, user management like creation of groups and users, creating groups, deleting groups. Next, users, adding new user and adding to group here, like that, adding new user, creation of new users. Okay, adding new users. Okay, next, updating users, modifying, like nothing but modifying users, next deleting users. Okay, so this is user management, most important topic this is. Okay, next, system date and time, how to change the system date and time as admin. What's the format, how to change it as admin. Next, changing ownership of the file, changing group name of the file, like this. These are all the admin topics. Next, networking setup. Yes, how to set up network here. Just suppose 10 systems are there, how to connect to the network here, how to set up network. Okay, for that, yes, using cables, using switches, using computers. Okay, yes, so the hardware requirements, taking that hardware here, then how to set up a network. So for this purpose, yes, yes, configuring IP address, we should configure the IP address on every system. How to configure that, going to discuss here. After configuring here, yes, next, network connectivity. Okay, yes, checking IP address, if config command to check for IP address. Okay, 1 second. Next, network connectivity, like using ping command, how to use ping, network connectivity, ping. Okay, yes, next, yes, how to configure host names. Yes, in networking you have to configure the host name each and every system. Yes, it's not easy to remember IP address. In place of IP address, some host name, we should give it. Okay, some host name. Okay, for example here, yes, suppose for example, if config, this one use IP address. So IP address, my system IP address, this is IP address. Okay, this IP address. What is host name here? Host name command, this host name, see, this is the host name, right? So this is the name, so this is the alias name for that IP address. Okay, Yes, easy to remember that. So this is name, that is IP address. Either these are the numeric keys. Yes, host name is very simple to use. Okay, right? Yes, next after this, SSH, secure shell. This is to connect to remote systems in network here. Suppose sometimes you have to connect to the production servers. How to connect to production servers? Okay, so our production servers in ES data center from your company, how to connect to the data center? Yes, production servers. SH, Linux to Linux connection. Suppose your system is Linux, that production is Linux based, that case SH. Suppose your system is Windows based, that case how to connect to production servers? Okay, how to connect to production servers? One second. How to connect to production servers? Windows to Linux. Windows to Linux, this is IP address. Windows to Linux base here. Windows. See, Windows to Linux for this using putty. Yes, how to use putty command, putty the tool we are going to discuss. Putty IP address. Okay. Yes, using putty. Yes, using putty we can connect to that servers. Putty is a tool. Okay, putty is a tool to connect to the servers. Okay, 1 second, it's connecting. Okay. Yes, how to work with the putty going to discuss. So this is all the admin topics. In real time, we should work with putty and all of these things here. Okay. 1 second, that network timeout. Config. Yes, IP address. Yes. So using putty connect to Linux server from Windows OS to Linux connection is like this. Next, sometimes you have to transfer files. You have to transfer files in the network. For that, using WinSCP. See, this is a WinSCP tool. These all are real-time tools. Real-time tools. Yes, to work in the projects. Okay. So here this is WinSCP. It's a WinSCP tool using IP address, username, and password, something like this. Okay. Right. So putty WinS. Yes, some network issue is there today in my system. That is the reason not getting. Okay. Yes, next I'll resolve it. It's not an issue. Yes, next here FTP file transfer. FTP. How to work with FTP using FTP. So these all are Linux networking related here. All are there real time. Yes, in administration we are going to discuss this. Okay. Yes, putty. How to use putty. Okay. Next, SCP command, secure copy, to copy the files one system to other system in the real-time projects. Okay. Yes, in real time we have to move the some jobs into servers. To move the jobs in the servers, you can use SCP command. Suppose Hadoop jobs, Python jobs, for all this here, all of these things. Okay, for that case, you can use SCP command. SCP. Yes, after that, next working with FTP. How to use FTP? So these all are network related. So all these are in real time going to use all this. Even interviews also going to ask about these things here, like FTP, next WinSCP, okay, WinSCP, okay, next putty, okay, these things. So these are all are real time related. So this is comes under admin here, right? Admin. Okay, so admin. Next project. Yes, finally there's a project here after FTP. Yes, project using shell scripting. Yes, in document itself I have prepared that project. It's there. Very big project this is. Like adding users. Okay, next searching for user. Yes, modifying users. Okay, next deleting users. Show all users. Count of users, like that. It's a shell scripting. Using shell scripting prepare these documents. User friendly project this is. Very easy to understand. It's not an issue. Okay, next finally Linux interview questions. All that questions, what are the questions getting in interviews, get all that questions also prepared. Okay, so this is the syllabus going to discuss. These are the contents. So these are the contents. So software basics, Linux introduction, user level comments, shell scripting, Linux admin, and projects. So these are the contents going to study about course contents. Okay. Yes, 3 years of experience you can show here. With this knowledge, you can show 3 years of experience. Minimum 3 years of experience. Okay, 3 years of experience. Suppose if you practiced well, then even you can claim yes 5 years also. Yes, if you practiced, if you able to remember everything, you can put up 5 years also. With this knowledge, 5 years of experience you can put up here. Okay, right? Yes, in development as well as admin also, particularly in development. Okay, particularly in development. Okay. Yes, next one more thing here. For whom this course? For whom this course? For whom? Yes, this course is suitable here. For whom this course is suitable? First, Linux admin guys. Okay, for Linux admin guys, like Linux admin is very suitable. Okay, next second one. Yes, Hadoop development and admins very useful here. Hadoop development and admin for both of the case very useful. Yes, next one more important AWS and DevOps. AWS and DevOps, it's very suitable course. Okay, very suitable. Yes, shell scripting in depth, no doubt. Yes, even project in shell script more than 1 week, 8 to 10 classes taking shell scripting. Most of the topic is on shell scripting only. AWS and DevOps guys, yes, very useful this Linux for topic here. Okay, next one more. Yes, Python for Python guys. Okay, for Python who are working on Python area. Yes, real-time projects Python Linux wise. Windows is rare case. Okay, Python. Okay, next Python and data science. Python and data science, data analysis purpose. Okay, Python, data science, data science. Yes, data science like yes, in data science maybe using artificial intelligence, right? For them it's very useful. Okay, artificial intelligence. Next, machine learning, ML, machine learning. Okay, for them very useful this is. Okay, next. Yes, after this, Linux admins, Hadoop development admins here, AWS DevOps, Python and data science developers here. Yes, apart from that, yes, even Java developers also very useful. Yes, real-time projects on the deploying in the Linux server. Okay, they must have even Java developer also must have the yes Java developer also must have the Linux knowledge. Okay, otherwise he can't work here nowadays. Everyone preferring Linux base. Reason I'll explain. Okay, right? Yes, next. Yes, embedded C. Who is going for embedded C? For them also very useful. This is embedded C. For embedded C also, this is very useful. Okay. Next, one more I forgot it. Testing guys. Testing. For testing also very important. This is for testing. For testing department testing. Yes, if someone is working on testing here, yes, you have to test the project in Linux base. Java project testing on Linux base. Hadoop project testing on Linux base. Maybe Python project and testing on Linux base. For testers, very useful. This is for testers very useful. Okay, so for these guys, this is very useful, right? Yes, nowadays company asking Linux for everyone. Yes, it has become mandatory. Okay. Yes, someone asking doubts here. Yes, what kind of jobs you can get? Yes, Linux, Linux admin, Linux maintenance. You can get that kind of jobs here. Okay. Yes, direct only on Linux means Linux admin jobs. Linux admin jobs, Linux support, you can get the kind of jobs here. That direct Linux job, yes, or else suppose already who is going to learn Hadoop. Okay, who is working on Hadoop for them? This our course is suitable. Next, who is going to learn AWS and DevOps? For that also very suitable this is. So who are already working on AWS DevOps? Yes, our course is suitable. Next, Python. Who is going to learn Python? Yes, who are working on Python. For them very useful. Java developers, embedded C. Okay, very important embedded C. For them also very useful. Testers. for all of the areas, our syllabus is suitable. Our syllabus is very suitable, right? Okay. Yes. Next, here directly you can get the job on Linux OS also. As admin, you can get it. Okay. Yes, as admin giving support on Linux OS, you can get it. Right? Okay. So for this kind of people, our course is designed for this kind of this area. Right? Okay. Yes, almost it's suitable for everyone. I'm going in depth. Yes, whatever Linux says, I'm explaining everything here. So for everyone, very suitable this is. Right? Okay. So this is about the introduction. Okay. Yes. So first about myself introduced. Okay. Yes, 22 years of experience, 25 projects, 15 projects directly involved in coding, 10 projects provided solution. Presently working as solution architect in Hyderabad, a Silutech Private Limited. Okay, solution architect on Python, Hadoop, and Java projects. Okay, right? Yes, next. What is prerequisite for Linux base? Nothing required. I am not expecting anything from you. Next, course contents. Base of first software basics. Before going to Linux, software basics, Linux introduction, user level comments. See, first 10 days, three topics, first three topics. Three topics, 10 days. Shell scripting. This also almost 10 days. Okay, so 20 days. Next, last week is Linux admin and project care. Last week, so 25 days. Okay, 3 to 4 weeks. This syllabus will be taken care. Okay, maximum 4 weeks, not more than that. Maximum is 4 weeks, right? Okay. Yes, you can put up 5 years of experience with this course if you practiced every topic, everything. If you practiced here, yes, you can put up 5 years of experience. Okay, for whom this course? Okay, right? Yes. So that's all. Yes, for introduction, right? Okay. Yes, next. Now let me introduce your topic here. Yes, let us go to actual topic. Yes, see here, first starting with very basics of software. Yes, for this I'm not expecting anything from you. Nothing. Even non-IT background guy also can understand this course. Okay, I have prepared in such a way, very basic to high end it was prepared. Okay. Yes, little bit knowledge of Windows ways I'm expecting. Little bit knowledge like what is folder, what is file. See here, these all are folders, right? All are folders. Suppose I'm opening some Hadoop material folder, right? Folder open, right? That folder contains what? Again folders and files, right? So folder contains what? Subfolders and files. Folder is a collection of subfolders and files. Folders and files. What is file? See, this is file, right? Yes, in this file some data. These are data, right? This is called as file. This is file. Okay, this is file. Next, these are folders. So what is file? What is folder? Let us see that. What is file? File contains data. That means file is a collection of data. File is a collection of data. Okay. File is a collection of data. Folder is a collection of files. Folder is a collection of files. Folder is a collection of files. File is a collection of data. Clear? Okay. Yes. Now let us start from the beginning. So file is a collection of data. Folder is a collection of files. That's okay. Fine. See, computerware. Yes, computerware. Yes, one second. Let me open another notepad. Yes, computerware. See, computerware. Sorry. Yes, computer. Yes, computerware. See, computerware. Computerware basically two categories. One is hardware. Yes, I'm coming from very basics. First one is hardware. Next one is software. Hardware and software. So what is hardware? What is software? Hardware, these are physical components. Hardware, these are physical components of a computer. Yes, hardware. Yes, yes, these are physical components. These are physical components. These are physical components, physical components of a computer, physical components of a computer. Okay, like mouse. Okay, like mouse. Okay, such as mouse. Next, keyboard. Okay, keyboard. Next, monitor. All of these things comes under this category here. Monitor. Next, hard disk. Okay, yes, hard disk, processor, motherboard. All of the things comes under hardware. Of course, this is not our part. Okay, yes, next our part is software. Second one, right? Second one, software. Our part is software. Yes, what is software? Yes, ours is software. We are software, guys. Ours is software. Okay. Yes, in hardware, physical components. All are physical components. Comes under hardware. Next, software. What is software? Yes, see, in software, everything is program. In software, yes, everything is a program. Everything is a program. In software, everything is a program. Yes, in software, everything is a program. Okay, programs like C program. Yes, maybe C++, maybe Java program. Yes, maybe Python program like this. Maybe Python. Yes, maybe Hadoop. Yes, like this different SQL programs like this. SQL, shell scripting, Linux shell scripting. Okay, next shell scripting. Next HTML. Yes, all this. Sorry, 1 second. So they are softwares. In software, everything is program. It's a collection of programs like C++, Java, Python, Hadoop, all these things. Comes in software. Okay, 1 minute. Don't try to write anything. Try to understand topic very clearly. Try to concentrate on the class. Don't deviate your time in writing notes. Notes is not necessary. Notes is not necessary. I have prepared everything here. See, starting itself, basics of software. What is software? From the definition, it's a collection of programs such as C, C++, Java, SQL, and other programs. Okay, so everything prepared, simply prepared here. Each and every topic was prepared very clearly. Okay, next, in software, yes, software basically two categories. Software basically two categories. Okay, two categories. Okay, two categories. Software basically two categories. First one, yes, first one, system software. Second one, application software. System software. Next is application. Yes, application software. System software. Next, application software. System software. Next, application software. Yes, what is system software? What is application software? Let us see that. System software. Linux comes under system software. Linux is a system software. Yes, exactly. What is system software? System software, this is to interact with hardware components. This is to interact this is to interact this is to interact with hardware components, to interact with the hardware components. Okay, system software is to interact interact with yes, hardware components. For example, here, device drivers. Device drivers comes under this category here. Device drivers and operating systems and operating systems. Device drivers and operating systems comes under this category here. Okay, device drivers and operating systems comes under this category. It's a system software. Yes, our topic is OS topic, right? Yes, we'll discuss next. What is device driver? What is OS? We'll discuss next. Okay, right? Yes, our topic is system software area. Our topic is system software. Okay. Yes, before going to that, our topic system software, let us see something about application software. Okay. Yes, what is application software? Yes, what is application software? Let us see something about application software. See, system software is to interact with hardware components. examples, device drivers and operating systems. Okay, next, application software. Yes, what is application software? This is for the purpose of application development, for the purpose of application development, for the purpose of application development. Okay, application development. Yes, here may be doubt. What is application? What is app? Yes, we are talking about different apps, right? Many number of apps we are using every day. Many number of apps. What is application here? See, for example, Google. It's an application, right? It's a search engine application. It's a search engine, searching for something. Google. Okay, Facebook. It's an application. Okay, next, Flipkart. Okay, Flipkart is an application. Okay, Flipkart is an application. A Durga website. Durga website. It's an application. Next, banking system. It's an application. Yes, suppose online shopping. Amazon. It's an application. Okay, food delivery apps. These all are the applications. Okay, so how to develop this kind of applications here, like Google, Facebook, Flipkart, Durga website. Okay, online shopping, all these applications, right? How can you develop all that application here? For this, some softwares required. Some softwares, those are called as application softwares. Like Java is an application software. C is an application software. C++ is an application software. Okay, .NET is an application software. .NET is an application software. Okay, next, SAP, SERP, that is application software. Okay, even MS Office also comes under application software. Even MS Office also comes under application software. So these are the application softwares. Next, Oracle database, maybe some database servers, database, some databases like Oracle database, MySQL database, SQL server like Microsoft SQL server. All the databases comes under application softwares. Okay, next, Hadoop also application software, right? Okay, so these all are application softwares. Yes, application software for the purpose of application development. Application software for the purpose of application development. Okay, some applications examples: Google, Gmail also application, Facebook, Flipkart, Durga website, all their applications. So for the development of applications, we need application softwares. Application softwares like Java, C, C++, like this. Okay. Yes, out of all the application softwares, 90% of 90% of applications. Yes, 90% of applications were developing in Java. Applications are developing in Java. Okay, developing in Java here. Okay, 90% of applications. That's the reason Java is most popular. Java is having many number of features. Okay, yes, many number of features available. Yes, all the options, everything available in Java here. Okay, 90% of applications developing Java. Java is the most used software, and others are next. Okay, next, one more thing here, 95% of applications, 95% of applications. Okay, applications, application mind 95% of applications are running on Linux base, not Windows base. Windows is rare case. Yes, 95% of applications are running on Linux base. Okay, because of that security, is Linux is secure OS. Because of secure OS here, yes, most of the applications will be running on Linux base. 95% of applications are running on Linux base, not Windows. Windows is very rare case. Okay, right? In real-time production environment, in prod environment, all the applications are running on Linux base. Okay, yes, if it is a prod, 100% are Linux base, 100% are Linux base. Okay, so this is about application software. Okay, right? Yes, next. So this is, yes, so introduction here. Hardware and software, hardware and software. In software, two categories: system software, application software. System software is to interact with the hardware components like device drivers, operating systems. Next, application software for the purpose of application development. Okay, now let us see about device drivers and operating systems. What is device driver? Let us see about device driver. So what is device driver? Device driver, see this. Yes, see here, to run any device, driver requires. Without driver, devices will not work. Okay, yes, without driver, devices will not work here. Okay, for example, mouse. For mouse, driver required. Keyboard driver, all are built in with your OS. Yes, all these drivers are built in with your OS. OS contains all the drivers. Suppose if any external device is there, that gets driver required. External device, for example, printer. Yes, to connect to print driver, you have to install it. Printer driver have to install here. Okay, printer driver have to install here. Printer drivers have to install here. Suppose TV, that driver also has to install like this. All the drivers have to install here. You have to install drivers, then use that. Okay, like keyboard, mouse, these are built in with your OS. No worry with that. Only external devices. If it is external devices, that case you have to use the drivers here, right? So exactly what is driver here? Yes, see, all drivers were developed in C language. Almost all drivers were developed in C language. So what is exactly driver? So what is exactly device driver? Okay, so what is exactly device driver? Device driver, device driver, yes, it's a program. Yes, all are developed in C language, C programs. Device driver is a program. Device driver is a program to communicate, to communicate, to communicate with, to communicate with hardware components, to communicate with hardware components, to communicate with hardware components. Okay, to communicate with the hardware components. Device driver is a program. Device driver is a program to communicate with the hardware components. Okay, for every device. Okay, for every device, driver required. For every device, driver required. So without driver, devices will not work here. So for every device, driver required. Suppose your laptop connecting to printer, driver required. Printer driver required. Suppose scanner driver required. Scanner driver required. Okay. Yes, someone no audio. Yes, Miss Shubham Mishra. No audio. Please reconnect once again. Reconnect. Okay. Yes, what is middleware? I'll explain this. Wait. Okay. Yes, every device driver required. Without driver, devices will not work here. Suppose connecting to printer, driver required. Suppose your laptop connecting to TV, like HDMI drivers, VGA drivers required. Of course, TV drivers are built in with your system, built in with your OS. Separately not install, installation not required. No worry about TV drivers. Okay, printer means you have to install it. Okay, yes, of course, some built-in for printers also, some built-in drivers available. Okay, so if any unknown printer is coming, that case you have to, yes, you have to install driver here. From where we can get drivers here? Yes, hardware vendors. Yes, hardware, who are supplying hardware? Hardware vendors. Hardware vendors means who are supplying hardware. Hardware vendors will provide the driver here. Yes, will provide driver. They will supply driver here. Provide the driver. They will provide the driver here, right? Hardware vendors will provide the drivers. Okay, suppose any new device release in the market here, any new device release in the market, any new device release in the market, that hardware manufacturer will provide the driver. Any new device comes to market here, any new device release in the market here, then hardware manufacturer, that device manufacturer will provide the driver. Yes, when you purchasing device, when you purchase a device here, yes, you will get some CD, right? They will give the CD. That CD contains manual, means how to operate your device, device manual. Next, device driver also, the CD contains device driver. Okay, take the driver, just put into our system and you can use device here. So this is about device drivers, right? Okay, next, operating system. Yes, operating system. Yes, what is OS? Operating system, let us see about OS. What is OS? Okay, yes, here some basic, very basic question for you, all the guys. Some question for you, some here, some question for you. question is, can we run any program without voice? Say yes or no. Answer is either yes or no. Say yes or no. Yes, yes. Here is a question for you. Can we run any program without voice? Suppose I want to run the MS Office. Can I run without voice? Suppose I want to run C program. Can I run it? Suppose Java. Can I run it? Yes. Best example is MS Office. Can I open MS Office document without voice? Okay, so without voice running programs, no, it's not possible. So voice required. No, answer is no. Can we run any program without voice? No, answer is no. We can't run. We can't run any program without voice. Voice required compulsory. See, suppose for example here, yes, learning some Java. You learning some Java, maybe Python learning, maybe C language learning. For the purpose of learning, you might have purchased some laptop, your laptop. For the purpose of learning softwares, yes, you might have purchased your laptop. Okay, so laptop, first purchasing laptop, okay, means hardware. So first hardware, okay, first hardware, purchasing laptop. After purchasing laptop, on top of that, next OS you have to install it, right? Yes, operating system. Okay, yes, once OS is installed, system is ready. First purchasing laptop, hardware purchasing here. After that, next OS installing. Once OS is installed here, our system is ready. Your system is ready. Okay, one system is ready here. On top of OS, now you can install your C language, Java. Those are called as application softwares. Yes, application. Okay, application softwares. Those are called as application softwares. Yes, application softwares, yes, like C language, yes, C++, Java. Okay, next Python. Okay, python Python, next Hadoop. These, yes, maybe database, Oracle database. Okay, MySQL database. Yes, all the application softwares running on top of OS. Okay, so first hardware layer. On top of hardware, there is a OS. On top of OS, there is application software like C, C++, Java, Python, Hadoop, Oracle, like this. Application software here. Okay, hardware. On top of that OS, on top of that, then all the application softwares. Now, what is OS? See, all the application softwares like C, C++, Java, all the programs running on OS, right? On top of OS. Okay, all the programs running on top of OS. On top of OS, so we can say it's a platform. So acting like a platform. Okay, like a platform, right? So what is OS here? OS is a platform. OS, it's a platform. Simply you can define like this. OS, it's a platform. It's a platform. Yes, it's a platform where we can run all the application softwares, all the application softwares, where we can run all the application softwares. Yes, maybe C language, C program, or Java, or C++, Python, something like this. Okay, it's like a platform. Application software, sorry, yes, OS is a platform. OS is a platform where we can run all the application softwares, right? Okay, not only platform here. Suppose, for example, here C program. For example, C program is running. Suppose C program is running. C program generating some output here. C program generating some output. So first C program outputs. So first C program output. Yes, C program output goes to OS, right? C program output goes to OS. Yes, from there the transfer to, yes, hardware. Yes, so first C program output goes to OS. C program output goes to OS. Yes, OS to that output device, right? OS to output device. Right, okay. Suppose C program reading from the keyboard. C program reading from the keyboard. So first the keyboard data goes to OS. Okay. Yes. Yes, from OS to then C program. OS to C program. Input to C program, output goes to OS. OS to output device. So we're reading from the keyboard. So first keyboard data goes to OS to C program here. So not only C program, suppose Java program same. Okay, Java program output transfer to OS, from there it transfer to output device. Java program or Python program, take any program here. So all the application softwares. Okay, yes, application software programs. Yes, application software. Yes, application software. Yes, that may be C or Java, something like this. So between application software hardware, there's a OS. Means it's an interface, mediator between these two layers. So we can see it's an right word is interface means mediator. Yes, interface between application software and hardware components. Okay, so what is OS? It's a platform where we can run all the application softwares. Next, one more. Yes, it is an interface. It is an interface. It is an interface. It is an interface. Yes, between, yes, application software and hardware components. And hardware components. Okay, just it's an interface. We can see it's an interface. Okay, so OS is an interface between application software and hardware components. It's an interface between application software and hardware components, right? Okay, yes, now here OS, this is communicating between application software and hardware, right? Yes, how it can communicate? For this purpose, every OS has its own input and output library. Input and output library. Yes, library. Yes, exactly. What is library? Like a C language library. See, almost all the operating systems were developed in C language. Almost all the operating systems were developed in C language. Okay, yes, input output library. Okay, input output library is nothing but functions, C language functions. Okay, yes, IO operations. To perform IO operations, every OS has its own input output library to communicate between application software and hardware, right? So this is just, yes, just introduction to OS, right? Okay, yeah, till now whatever discussed, it's there in document here. So just let us review the document here. Basics of software. Software. It's a collection of programs such as C, C++, Java, SQL, and others here. Software basically two categories. Okay, software, system software. Next, application software. System software, application software. See, it interacts with the hardware components. Examples, device drivers and operating systems. Yes, application software for the purpose of application development. Example, C, C++, Java, .NET, something like this. Device driver. What is device driver? Same that explanation. It's in document here. Operating system. Yes, same that explanation. What are we discussed? Same. Everything is there in document here. Everything is there. Yes, hardware on top of that OS, on top of that application software, right? This is okay. Next, operating system two categories like character interface, graphical interface, single user, multi user, like this, different kind of things. Next, Linux, Unix features here, different kind of things. So this is just introduction. Okay, this is introduction for today. Okay, yes, tomorrow will be continued for this operating system like character interface, graphical interface. Okay, tomorrow little bit I'll explain about DOS, MS-DOS, the DOS commands. Okay, yes, next, graphical interface like Windows different versions, that history of Windows OS from the beginning, Windows 1.0, 1.2, that history, complete history about Windows OS going to discuss, complete history about Unix, Linux, those things discuss here, going to discuss tomorrow here, right? Next, features. Okay, so here that's all for today. Yes, any doubts? Yeah, 1 second, someone is asking doubts. Yes, duration. Yes, duration is course duration 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, so max I will try to finish in 25 days. Max is 25 days. Okay, 3 weeks may not be finishing. Next 4 weeks may not be required. Okay, see, what is middleware? I'll explain. Middleware is not a part of Linux base. Middleware is different. Middlewares like middleware servers like EJB servers, okay, WebLogic servers, okay, those are middleware servers. Okay, That is entirely different. It's not a part of Linux base. Middleware is different. Course duration is 3 to 4 weeks. Okay. So here 3 weeks not enough, 4 weeks may not be required. Within 25 days finishing here. Next time yes 8:45 a.m. to yes 10 a.m. Yes, some days even 10 some extra 10 minutes also taking care. Okay. Yes, 8:45 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, some days maybe extending for 10 minutes. Right? Okay. Yes. Time next. Yes, week Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday, Sunday no yes, no class. Sunday strictly holiday. Okay. Yes, Saturday. Monday to Saturday. Okay. Yes, next. Yes, this will be continued for tomorrow here. This will be continued. This will be continued for tomorrow also. Not demo. Tomorrow class is not demo. Just today demo, just introduction given here about myself, about course contents, prerequisites, who can learn this one. That introduction given. Tomorrow is not like that. Tomorrow completely subject, entering into subject here. Okay. Yes, tomorrow will be continued. Yes, this will be continued for tomorrow, but tomorrow is not a demo here. Okay, this will be continued for tomorrow. Oh, okay. Yes, this will be continued for tomorrow. Okay, right? Yes. Next is not a demo. Tomorrow not going to repeat same today topic. Tomorrow I'll go to topic, actual topic. Right? Okay. Yes. Next, one more thing here. No Pongal holidays. Yes, because started today, right? Pongal tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Pongal, I think. Okay. Yes, no Pongal holidays. Just morning you can attend the class, just you can celebrate just 1 hour. Yes, it's online, right? It's not offline. If it is offline, you have to travel. Okay. If it is offline, you have to travel. Okay. Online, it's a online class from where you can attend. Yeah, 9:45 college. Yeah, 10 minutes, yes, 8:45, 10, not more than that. Up to 10 o'clock only I will take it. Not more than that. Yes, if anyone missing, yes, recordings. You can take recordings here. Recordings available. Recordings available. Yes, we are providing recordings. Recordings available. You can take recordings. Anyone missing class. Anyone missing class, you can take the recordings here. All the recordings. Recordings available. Okay. After finishing class, we are uploading into Drive, Google Drive. Okay. Yes, you can take. Yes, you can take URL. URL. Yes, URL from online team. Online team. They will provide URL. Yes, and you can go through that recordings. Okay. Anyone missing class, don't worry. Yes, after finishing class, immediately it will be uploaded. By the evening, you can watch it. For tomorrow, for next day class, by the evening, you can watch it. That recordings available. Recordings available. Okay, next providing. Yes, I am providing. Yes, providing Linux software. Yes, you need not install. Yes, sorry, you need not download that Linux software. I am providing Linux software. Yes, next step. And that VMware software. I am providing both here. Next, apart from document also, providing document, class document. Yes, is a part of your course fees, all of these things. Class document. All of this is part of your course fee. So don't worry. Class document also. This is a class document. Yes, we are providing class document. Class document I'm providing here. Okay, next here this is that VMware Linux. This software also I'm providing here. Okay. Next, Putty can download is not an issue. Putty is very simple. How to download I will explain. Okay, Putty. Okay, next. Yes, Putty, WinSCP, those things we can download. That is not an issue. It's very simple. So these things I am going to provide here. Right? Okay. Class document, these things. Yes, that's all. Any doubts? We are providing Linux software, VMware software, next class document. Yes. Next, one more thing here. Creating WhatsApp group. Yes, I'm creating WhatsApp group. Yes, once batch formed, I'll create the WhatsApp group. Once batch batch formed here. I'll create WhatsApp group. Yes, in that group you can ping it. Any doubts you can ping it. Yes, immediately I can respond. Okay, suppose if I'm meeting in office meeting, yes, maybe little bit late responding here. Okay, suppose if I'm free, immediately I'll respond it. Okay, creating WhatsApp group for all of the guys. Okay, this WhatsApp group is very useful. Yes, in WhatsApp group, any doubts are there, you ping it. Suppose if facing any issues, you can ping it. Yes, in group itself, somebody will respond. Already completed installation and all this, they will respond. Very useful this group. Okay, 24 by 7 to support 24 by 7. I have created that. I am creating WhatsApp group. Okay, yes, for to support 24 by 7. Yes, creating WhatsApp group. After finishing your course, yes, you all the members will be added to that world group. Already world group is there. In that world group, more than 100 members are there. Just I will be adding to that group. Yes, in that group, they will post their requirements. Very useful that group here. In their company, any requirement is there, fresher openings or Linux openings, any other openings, they will ping into your WhatsApp group. They will put into WhatsApp group here. Suppose in your company some openings are there, you can put into that group here. It's very useful group. So 100 members are there currently here. More than 100 are there. After finishing your code, your batch, I will add to that group. After finishing your batch, I will add to that group here. It's very useful group. Okay, 24 by 7 support anytime. Yes, you can ping it. Yes, I will respond as other or else in group some other members will respond. If they knows about the topic, they will respond. Group members will respond or myself also will respond. Okay, 24 by 7 support. Next, someone asking any plan for Hadoop. Yes, Hadoop, yes, will be starting. Hadoop will be starting, yes, on 20th on 20th of Jan. Okay, this month, 20th of this month at 20th of Jan, at 8:30 p.m. At 8:30 p.m. I'm starting this. Is why 8:30 p.m. is, yes, many are coming from the office. After coming from the offices, they can attend this. Okay. Any plan for online C language? Actually, as of now, I'm busy with Python. Busy with Hadoop and next Hadoop and Big Data Linux classes and Python. I'm busy with that. C batch has taken that recordings available. You can take the recordings. C language recordings available. Okay, totally I took some 55 sessions. Previously, I used to take C classes. Okay, since last 2 months, I'm not taking C language because I'm busy with the Hadoop, Linux, and Python. Okay, C language. So whatever I took here, that batches, many batches taken here, that batches, yes, that recordings available around 55 days. I think 55 recordings are there. You can take it. 55 recordings available. Right? Okay. Next, any other doubts? So that's all about this. Yes, any other doubts? No doubts? Yes, tomorrow continuation. Yes, no demo. So this will be continued. Topic will be continued. We are entering into topic tomorrow. Tomorrow entering into Linux features. Okay. Tomorrow not demo, not introduction like this. Tomorrow I'm not going to repeat same again here. Yes, tomorrow entering into actual topic. Right? Okay. Yeah. So this will be continued. Okay, no holiday, only Sunday. Coming Sunday holiday. Right? Okay. So except Sunday, everyday class. Right? Okay. So every day 8:45 to 10 o'clock. Yeah. Thank you guys. Yeah. Still any doubts? No doubts? Yes, I think no doubts. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Same time. Tomorrow 8:45 exactly. Okay. Sometimes maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes late because before 8:45 already I have the Hadoop class. That Hadoop class sometime may be extending. So for that reason, maybe 1 or 2 minutes later. But maximum I'll try to start at 8:45 sharply. No doubt at 8:45 to 10 o'clock sharply. That time compulsory here. 8:45 sharply. I'll try to start it. Right? Okay. Yeah. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.